Hey G-Squad, welcome back on Soda. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a Boba kit. And we see the one that we got right here from this brand, and here is basically what the package looks like from the top. And we see right here they do tell you guys what is actually included. So they basically provide guys 10 tea powder pack, 10 instant boba pack, and 10 straw, but they don't provide guys any cup, so you need to use your own cup. And if you guys turn over here, they show you guys what is actually included. So they basically provide guys enough ingredients to make all these right here. So 4 classic milk tea with brown sugar boba, 2 taro milk tea with brown sugar boba, creme brulee milk tea with caramel boba, and passion fruit pineapple green tea with fruity boba. So this one they provide guys 4, this one is 2, this one is 2, and this one is 2. So I'm assuming these are going to be better than this one since they only provide guys 2 of each. And right here on the side they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to make it. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here's actually looks like inside. So like I mentioned, they do provide guys the straws, and there is 10 of them. And inside right here we do have the boba. So they provide guys 6 of these brown sugar boba. They provide guys 4 packs of these classic milk tea. They provide guys 2 for the taro milk tea. Right here we do have 2 pack of the caramel boba. And here we have the creme brulee milk tea powder. And then for the last one we do have the fruity boba. And we see this one looks pretty nice. And then right here we do have the powder for the passion fruit tea. So obviously I will not be able to try all of them all at once right now. So I'm only gonna pick one of them to try it out to see what it tastes like and everything. So for me, I'm gonna try out the passion fruit pineapple green tea because I do love passion fruit. So I should go bring this over to the kitchen to test it out to show you guys how to make it, and then we'll try it out, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So first thing I'm gonna do is to boil the water. So I already have the water all boiled and ready. So what I'm gonna do right now is to heat up the boba. And they do provide guys instruction right here and also on the package as well. So what I'm going to do right now is make a small tear on here. And basically you want to put this inside the microwave for around like 18 seconds. And after 18 seconds, if it's still not chewy, you guys can add another 5 seconds on top. And basically you want to add 5 seconds each time until you guys get the right texture that you want. So let's open this up. Alright, so that should be good. So now let's put this in the microwave for around like 18 seconds. And if you guys want to be safe, you guys can put it inside a cup like this or a bowl. Alright, so 18 seconds. So while it's doing that, now let's prep the actual milk tea powder. So first thing I want to do is add 2 ounces of water into the cup. So for this test we'll use this cup right here. Alright, so that's 2 ounces. Once you guys do that, you guys will open up the packet and pour inside and stir it. So right off the bat, when you guys do open it and pour it out, you can definitely smell that strong kind of passion fruit scent. So let's mix it. If you guys have like a cocktail shaker or some kind of shaker bottle, it'll probably be easier because some of the powder got stuck on the side right here. Alright, so that should be good. Let me check on boba first. Alright, so boba is good. We'll leave it inside for now. So once you guys fully mix the powder, what you're going to do right now is add 7 ounces of ice inside. Alright, so we got 7 ounces of ice. And then once you guys do that, you guys want to add 2 more ounces of water on top. And you guys want to mix it. And then once you guys do that, now you can add the boba on. So you definitely want to be careful when you guys do handle it since it's going to be hot. But you just want to pour it in. Alright, so once you guys pour it in, you have to mix it. And then once you guys do that, you guys are all set. And you do have the option to use a straw. But I do have my own straw right here, so I'm going to use this instead. So that way we can be eco-friendly. So let's stick it in. Let's try it out and see what it tastes like. So the flavor of the passion fruit is actually pretty good. And when you guys try the boba, it's actually very chewy. That's actually really surprising. And when you guys do try the boba, it actually tastes pretty good. It actually has like this fruity taste since it is like a fruity boba. So I'm not sure if it's see or not, but in the bottom right there we do have the boba. But definitely after trying the actual product, it tastes really good. It's very similar to the drink that you can buy outside in like the restaurants or even from stores. But I do have to say that these are actually much more closer to like the quickly kind of style, like the quick powder option. Which is not a bad thing, it's just different compared to like the actual fruit tea where they use real fruit. This one's like the powder version. But definitely pretty awesome product just to actually have around the house when you guys are craving boba or something. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of product, and definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So when you guys try the drink, it's actually very different compared to like the normal tea that is buy in the store. And that is if you guys go to like the right store that actually makes the real tea and not like the powder version like the one we have right here. I feel like for this kit, when you guys do drink the actual milk tea powder and etc., It kind of reminds me of the ones that you guys can get from like Quickly or something, where it's very fast and they do use powder and not the real ingredients. So I can see how this is actually really convenient, especially sometime if you guys have like a late night craving and maybe you guys want some boba tea or something. You can just make one of these at home in the office or anywhere else, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality boba kit. They provide you guys like a variety of packs so that way you can make different type of drink, whether at home, in office, in the morning, at night, for lunch or whenever. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.